No, it didn't, because when you look at the film, you see there's a lot of holes there, and I think because it's a new defensive coordinator, they're playing that read and react type of style. So what you want to do is just score a touchdown, score points, and win the game. And if you can do it in a conservative style and control the clock, then you really achieve something.
Jim Everett, the quarterback, has some big tools and can hurt you if you don't get on him.
That's right. And
And the gimp is out of your gate. How's things going on your rehab?
Going real good. I'm just working real hard. Right now I'm doing more weight-bearing exercises. I'm ahead of the game in my rehab. I'm still going to be out all year long, but I'm still working real hard, and at this point just getting ready for next year.
It's a year when you do a knee like you did, just about.
Yeah, unfortunately, and the doctors told me I'm going to feel real good, but don't let it fool me because it takes at least 6 months for this ligament to set in here. So I'm just continuing to work real hard and, actually taking advantage of the fact that I can sit back and watch the plays and mentally take a rep.
Yeah.
I can get a little bigger and stronger, and hopefully next year I can come out smoking.
Great, man. Not wasting any time.
No, indeed. No time to waste.
Thank you. Thank you, Alan. Allen Pinkett, our live guest here before the Saints and Rams game as things start to heat up in the Dome. Back to you guys. I think it's two teams that are going to grind it out a little bit, and unless Cleveland Gary starts fumbling the ball and there are big breaks in the Rams attack, I think this is going to be a close game that the Saints win, but they won't cover the 9 points that they're favored. So I'm going to have to pick the Rams and the points.
I pretty much have to agree with you.